going to show you two ways to remove makeup, and we are going to compare these two ways to see which one is better out of these. Hey guys, and welcome back to Girls Beauty. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel by clicking on the subscribe button below, and also don't forget to click on the bell icon next to it so that you don't miss out the future video notifications. So today I'm going to show you two ways to remove makeup, and we are going to compare these two ways to see which one is better out of these two. So on one side of my face, I'm going to use makeup wipes to remove makeup, and on the other side of the face, I'm going to use coconut oil, massage it into my skin, and then I will use a cotton cloth to remove the makeup. After that, we are going to see which one of these two is better to remove makeup, and for that, I'm going to use my gSHARP Blackhead Remover. This is going to help us to figure out which way is better. Are you guys excited? Then let's jump right into the video.
So on one side of my face, I will be removing makeup using makeup wipes. Generally, I don't prefer this way of removing makeup, but since makeup wipes are designed to remove makeup, so I thought this will be one of my ways to compare with my normal way of removing makeup, which is coconut oil, and I wipe it off with a cotton cloth. I try to be gentle on my skin, so I'm using the makeup wipe very gently on my skin and making sure that none of the section is left out. So this is the amount of makeup I removed. I'm going to use another makeup wipe to make sure that I thoroughly remove all the makeup. On the other side of my face, I'm using extra virgin coconut oil and massaging it gently into my skin. I take few seconds, I would say 30 seconds, to make sure that I massage my skin gently with coconut oil. And what it does is it opens up the pores and removes makeup from your pores. This is what I heard. Then I'm going to take cotton cloth, dip it in a hot water, as hot as you can tolerate. Then squeeze the excess amount of water and use this cotton cloth to remove makeup and coconut oil from your face. I'm drying my face, and then I'm going to use a little bit of oil on my skin to make sure it is moisturized so that my gSHARP remover can glide on my skin. But make sure you use very small quantity of oil on your face. Then use steam to open up the pores.
So first I'm going to use this Blackhead Remover and then use the first speed setting and then start moving it.
I'm using the first speed setting of my Blackhead Remover to actually extract any makeup residual or impurities from my face. This leaves your skin nice and clear. So it took me less than 20 seconds and we are almost done.
Okay guys, so I have done it on one side, and this is the amount of makeup that was left on my face. So this one is from the side where I used makeup wipes, and now I'm going to keep this as it is because I have two of these, and another side again the same setting, and I'm going to use on this side where I used coconut oil and my cotton cloth. So now I'm going to use it on my cheeks. So for that, it's very important to hold your skin, otherwise it has very strong suction. Okay guys, so I have done it on both sides of my face. I'm going to show you guys the results, so I'll let you decide which one is better.
So here are the results, guys. So clearly there is very less makeup residual where I used coconut oil to remove makeup compared to the makeup wipes. Results are in front of you. I will let you guys decide.
Guys, you can't see it because of the makeup I have used, but it has removed so many whiteheads from my nose.
So what do you guys think of this experiment? Do let me know which way you generally use to remove your makeup. I'm sure majority of people use makeup wipes, and you can see how coconut oil can remove makeup beautifully compared to makeup wipes.
And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please hit the like button, share your feedback in the comment section below. I hope you guys found it useful because I definitely did. Now I'm going to use this specific way to remove my makeup. I'm going to put the link to my gSHARP Blackhead Remover in the description box below. In case you guys are interested, have a look. So I see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling and keep your skin nice and clear. Bye!